are going to love the 2012 Honda CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cruise control, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer. Come take a test drive today.